Good morning, YouTube family, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Moses, and this is Urban Backyard Container Gardening. I recently became affiliated with a company called Ecoworm, and I'm going to show you the product that they sent for me to use in my garden, and maybe you will like it and be interested in using it. Let's go. As most of you know, I prefer to use for fertilizer, liquid fertilizers, and I fertilize my beds on a bi-weekly basis, twice a month. And I prefer it also to be organic, not synthetic or anything like that, if at all possible. What we have here is from a company called Ecoworm, ECO Worm. The name of the product is called Soil Extract, and it's a growth stimulant for fruit and vegetables. It's made out of vermi compost or worm compost, and it has a couple other things in it. It's has a lot of nitrogen in it. It has all organic material, which is very important to me. Now, many of you have seen me fertilize my plants either using the injector or mixing it in a 5-gallon container. Today, we're going to mix in the 5-gallon container, and here we have a 35-ounce bottle of the fertilizer, and it has two openings, one here and one here. This one is the one that we are concerned with. It's a 50 milliliter rather container or cup that's built into the bottle, and 50 milliliters will equate to 2.5 gallons. So I'm going to put two of these into water in my 5-gallon bucket, mix it up, and then use it on my plants. This container is their potassium soap. It is a all natural, ready to use spray for aphids, spider mites, the dreaded white fly, and other pests. Now, right now, I don't have any of those issues, but if I shall have some during the spring and into the summer and fall, I'll be sure to try this out. So we're going to shake this up, make sure everything's mixed together. Open here to allow air into the bottle. And on this side, we're going to open and squeeze until we get the desired amount and pour it into my water. And we're going to do it again. And there we go. Now we're going to tighten both of these back up. I have a old stick here that I'm going to use to make sure this is stirred up. We're going to dip using this into my watering can and then go water. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a great amount of food for myself and my family, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment. That will help with the YouTube algorithm and help me in the long run. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.